Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Teamwork. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about inflectional endings. Before this, in grade 2, we have learned about singular and plural. And I hope you remember that by adding s or es or just letter or few letters, we change singular to plural. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further that by adding letter or more than one letters, what happens. Okay, so our SLO is to recognize the specific parts of words, including common inflectional endings. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ad-Duha, verse 1 till 3. By the morning brightness and by the night when it covers with darkness, your Lord has not taken leave of you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, nor has he detested you. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Subhanallah, beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he's encouraging, Allah has not left you. And beta, this is a message for all of us, wherever we are, whatever the situation, who is with us? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always with us. So whenever you feel low or you feel sad for something, you should recall about that. Allah is with us. Allah does not leave us. Okay. So this will give you courage. All right. Now look at these words. Covers, taken, detested. You see, we have added just here, we added one letter, two letters and two letters, and the word is different. So what such type of addition is called? Before I tell you, you tell me what are inflectional endings and what are base words. Whatever you know about these questions, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children. So what are inflectional endings? An inflectional ending is a letter or group of letters, means more than one letters, that is added to the end of a base word to change its meaning. So what do we understand? Like we add a letter or a group of letter to a word and its meaning changes, right? For example, look at this. This is base word. I have taken it. This is boy. It means one boy, one male kid. All right. So when I add s to it, it becomes boys, which is plural form, and now its meaning is changed. It's not one, it's more than one, right? We just added one letter, s, and it becomes a new word. New words, because its meaning is boy means one boy and boys mean more than one. So this is known as inflectional ending. And if I say bench and benches, here I have to make its plural. I have added two letters. Bench mean one and benches mean more than one. So here by adding two letters, its meaning changes, right? The other way is, for example, I have taken base word play. And if I add s to it, plays. Remember, I have taught you this concept in simple present tense. Remember, so by adding play, if we consider it as a verb and we have added s, its simple present tense form, a singular third person uses this verb. Remember? Okay. And playing. Now I have added more than one letters, ing, and this playing, again it changes the tense. And which tense it is? It's action happening now. Inshallah, we'll study about this tense, simple, it's present continuous. Okay. And played, we have added ed, it becomes past form. Okay. So you see, we have taken one verb just by changing few letters at its end, the verb changes and its tense changes, right? It is simple present, it is continuous, it is past. This is how, that's why these letters or group of letters are known as inflectional ending, because we are adding to the base word and the word is changing its meaning, right? The next example is cook. Cooks, this is a verb, and by adding s it becomes simple present form. Ing, it's the action is happening, and cooked, it's simple past form. Now once again it's verb, and by adding letter or a group of letter, the meaning is changing. So what we have learned, an inflectional ending is a letter or a group of letters that is added to the end of a base word and its meaning changes. Once again, examples are here: walk, walks, walking, walked, and walker. You see, we have just added one letter or group of letters and the word is changing. So S, ing, ed, and er are inflectional endings in this example, right? Are you clear with the concept? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will provide students bunch of words on board. Means teacher can write or already written words she can display on board and ask students to underline base word and highlight its inflectional ending. Okay, so all the words will be having inflectional ending. Students will highlight it and also underline the base word. So pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, now you can differentiate, you can identify, and you can find out base word as well as inflectional ending. So let's practice it in your book. All of you complete this task. Question number 9. Add s, et, or ing to the following verbs. So here verbs are given, and by adding these inflectional endings, we'll make new verbs. So pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences using inflectional ending verbs learnt in the class. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize specific parts of words, including common inflectional endings, and we covered our SLO to recognize specific parts of words, including common inflectional endings. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.